Becoming a money magnet to align with the frequency of abundance, start by receiving with ease. When you let go of resistance, your energy flows more freely, allowing abundance to come into your life naturally. Ask yourself, how can I allow more abundance to flow into my life? Declutter your home or office to clear stagnant energy and make room for new, prosperous energy to flow. Aligning with your truth. The more you align with your authentic self, the more abundance will flow. Pay attention to how your energy feels. Expansion and lightness are signs of alignment, while heaviness and contraction mean you're out of sync. Ask yourself, how can I move into more alignment with abundance today? Regularly check in with your body and energy to gauge alignment. Small shifts can help you regain your flow. Claiming your divine inheritance, you deserve abundance. Give yourself permission to claim the wealth and prosperity that is already yours by divine right. Ask yourself, what does the energy of money want me to know? Bless your bank accounts and credit cards daily to foster a positive relationship with money. Permission to desire wealth. We often limit ourselves by feeling guilty about desiring wealth, but you have the right to want and attract financial abundance. Ask yourself, how can I meet my needs today? Move your body. Dance to release trapped emotions. Also, spend money on things that genuinely bring joy to your life. Worthiness and wealth. You are worthy of the power and freedom that money can bring into your life. Take steps each day to receive abundance. What action step can I take today to receive abundance? Do a financial audit and identify areas where you can close money leaks. This brings clarity and control to your financial flow. Wealth and love can coexist. You don't have to choose between wealth and love. You can be both wealthy and deeply loved by others. When I say, I love money, how does that make me feel? Practice receiving with grace. If someone offers you a compliment or a gift, simply say thank you and accept it without hesitation. Speaking your truth. It's safe for you to speak your truth. And when you do, you open yourself to greater abundance. By affirming your desires out loud, you activate your personal power. Ask yourself, what does my inner child need today? Sing or speak your affirmations out loud, letting your voice express your truth and manifest abundance. Living a life of abundance. Visualize yourself living a life of abundance. What does it look like? Use this visualization to draw in wealth and prosperity. A day in the life of my abundant self looks like: create a vision board to support your big goals and dreams. Writing them down and seeing them visually helps keep you aligned with your desires. Connecting to the source of abundance. You are connected to the source of abundance. You are abundance. By grounding yourself in this truth, you activate the flow of wealth in your life. Journal all the ways you already embody abundance. Connect with source energy through meditation, walking in nature, or any practice that takes you beyond your physical and emotional state into pure being. Grounding abundance to fully experience abundance, ground it into your daily life. Think about who you need to become to welcome wealth into every corner of your existence. Who do I need to be to ground abundance into my life? Acclimate yourself to wealth. Try on the clothes you envision wearing. Notice the homes and cars you desire. And list the ways you will allocate the money you're manifesting. Remember, money doesn't like to be idle. Thank you for watching and see you soon.